Meeting again with the most dominant tank killer, the drone. There is something interesting about the Russian Armed Forces drone recently. What is it? Is it just a name, or has its effectiveness been proven? Don't miss a single event and keep your eyes on the story. The Molniya-2 has proven itself in precisely destroying targets, especially in battles in Kursk and other areas that will be discussed in the coming minutes. This drone is now alongside expensive, high-tech drones typically used by Western countries. If we look deeper, its simple and functional design actually makes it a very advantageous choice on the battlefield. One interesting thing about the Molniya-2 is its design characteristics, which are very similar to the AK-47 rifle. Why? Because both are designed for reliability and ease of operation. The Molniya-2 is not a sophisticated drone with the most advanced sensor systems or the most expensive communication devices. However, this is its strength. It can carry out various important missions without requiring complex hardware. Its range of up to 40 kilometers, coupled with the ability to carry a 20-pound anti-tank mine TM-62, makes it the top choice for forces needing an effective drone that can operate in any condition. It is also important to note that the production cost of the Molniya-2 is very affordable, which is crucial in the context of modern warfare that increasingly depletes resources. Made with easily obtainable materials, such as plywood for the frame and aluminum pipes for the main structure, as well as lightweight materials for the wings and stabilizers, this drone is designed for cost efficiency without compromising performance. In a world often trapped in price wars and the procurement of expensive military equipment, the Molniya-2 offers a pragmatic and effective solution. Recently, the Russian Ministry of Defense revealed that the Molniya-2 fixed-wing UAV of Sever Group successfully carried out an attack on Ukrainian armed forces military facilities and armored vehicles in the Kursk border area. After the successful launch, Russian soldiers quickly relocated their base, a clever move that demonstrates how well trained they are in operations like this. The speed and precision of their actions, swiftly relocating the base, serve as evidence of thorough preparation and skills honed through intensive training. There is also a circulating recording showing a Russian FPV scene of the Molniya-2, equipped with T-62M anti-tank mines, flying optimistically toward its target. Without hesitation, the drone strikes the Ukrainian armed forces position at high speed, delivering a highly effective and destructive impact. It is impressive, not just because of the accuracy of the attack, but also because of how every element of this assault worked so perfectly. This drone truly fulfilled its purpose from every angle. In the Kherson region, an interesting story comes from the Molniya-2 strike UAV team of the Dnepr Force Group, which is part of the Arctic Motorized Rifle Brigade. An exceptionally skilled UAV operator managed to detect an observation post used by the Ukrainian armed forces. The post was located in an abandoned building, offering minimal protection but not enough to avoid the attack. After thorough preparation, the UAV operator programmed the Molniya-2 drone to launch a precise strike. The attack was executed flawlessly, destroying the observation post in no time. The question remains, will drones like the Molniya-2 still be relevant in the future? Every day, news from Russia feels like a fresh breeze blowing in, bringing new hope and enthusiasm to those relying on advanced technology in modern warfare. One such development is the latest progress of the Molniya-2 system, which has now been equipped with a new warhead in the form of a rocket-propelled grenade from the thermobaric weapon RPOA Shmel. Previously, the Molniya-2 used the KZ-6 anti-material ammunition or RPG-7 anti-tank grenades as its warhead. However, with this change, the drone has become significantly more deadly and versatile. Nevertheless, the information circulating about this new warhead is still limited. The photos circulating online have not yet provided a complete picture of how widely this new grenade will be used in real operations. However, one thing is certain. This upgrade gives a glimpse of how the Molniya-2 could continue to adapt to the increasingly dynamic needs of the battlefield. An analysis by Bulgarian military reveals indications of a newer version of the Molniya-2, which may integrate artificial intelligence. As a result, this drone will not only be smarter in carrying out missions, but also more capable of operating autonomously. One of the most striking aspects is its ability to handle increasingly sophisticated electronic warfare. In the future, the Molniya-2 may be able to navigate battlefields filled with interference and threats from enemy electronic warfare systems with greater efficiency. However, the capabilities of the Molniya-2 are not limited to direct attacks. One of the key roles of this drone is to counter Ukraine's air defense. With a carefully planned strategy, the Molniya-2 is not only launched to destroy targets, but also to divert attention and damage the enemy's defenses. In some missions, this drone is launched alongside other versions that serve as decoys. Each of these drones attempts to disrupt or destroy the enemy's radar and anti-drone systems, thus giving the main drone a better chance of reaching its objective without being detected. And until this moment, Ukraine has faced countless difficulties, which have come one after another in the form of aerial attacks carried out by unmanned aerial vehicles. Russia has been precisely targeting vital assets in Ukraine, undermining and devaluing the advanced defense systems from the West that were received with high expectations by Ukraine. Advanced air defense missiles, such as NASAMS or IRIS-T, which are extremely expensive, now seem less effective in countering the wave of cheap drones, which, although inexpensive, are very difficult to track and destroy easily. So, drones are a cost-effective and efficient solution, right? Leave your thoughts on the Molniya-2, and thanks for watching.